Alright, today is Sunday. That means it is flea market day. I bought a couple more ratchets today. I went to put them away in my socket drawer, and I am pretty much out of room. So I'm going to go throughout my shop and count all of my sockets, power bars, spinner handles, and just see how much space I am wasting with duplicate tools. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Almost got the 60. I think I might need to do some reorganizing.